What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Gale Shield in Crimson Desert. This here's another shield with a special ability. The Gale Shield can blow away enemies with its Stormy Retribution ability, which has 3 charges that can be replenished by 1 charge when you successfully block 3 enemy attacks. Know that this one is also not repairable, so use it wisely. Besides those, it gives 6 points in defense with level 1 attack speed and movement speed bonuses. You can get this shield in the Tashkalp region of the Crimson Desert. It's inside Red Sand Helm Hole, which is between the Tashkalp label and the town of Tomaso. Just a warning, the area is infested with enemies, so you might need to clear it out first. Once the place is safe, find this second tunnel housing close to this well. Go inside, and on the table is the shield. It's yours for the taking. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.